Friends, it's Susanna, and I'm coming to you from my craft room for another Facebook 5. And today I am going to give you a start to finish opening, what do you call it, an unboxing of my paper pumpkin kit that I got in the mail today. And I'm super excited about paper pumpkin, especially for all of my friends that are really not into card making and you don't really know what it's all about and even why I love it so much. And for $22 a month, you can get these kits and they are completely inclusive. You don't have to have any previous supplies at all. Your first paper pumpkin you ever get comes with an acrylic block. So all you need is a pair of scissors. You might have a pair of scissors at home. So I just wanted to show you what's in my box this month. Okay, here we go. I always get a little, well, I was going to say a little excited when things come in the mail, but I get things in the mail a lot. My husband says, oh, look, it's something for Susanna. I go, Tim, you have to order things and you have to send mail to get mail. That's what my mother always told me. Want a letter? Send a letter. Okay, here's paper pumpkin. And I actually keep all these boxes because they're really great mailing boxes, and they're, just put your label right over there and you've got a really pretty package. Anyway, here we go. A whole bolt of ribbon. Ooh. Okay. It must be Valentine's Day coming up. Here, I'm going to take it all out first. What will it be? See, we get an idea of what the theme is, and we get a little kind of, I guess, a color teaser of what it is, but you don't really know what it is. Oh, how cute! How cute! Oh my gosh. A mailbox. A mailbox. Okay, I like mailboxes, as you can tell. Okay, here is the stamps. This is really nice. This is one I could use over and over again. And then it says, sending love your way. Hi, Valentine. And oh my goodness, a little tiny baby snail. This is offered in one of the sets in the mini catalog, and I have a class coming up with this one. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Okay, on with the paper. I know you don't have all day, so I'm gonna open this. Okay, so ribbon, a whole bolt of ribbon. That's very unusual. And little epoxy hearts that have adhesive on them. These are dimensionals, and you know the best thing is when you only have this as the adhesive, you know it's going to be ultra easy, and I don't see any more. Okay, pretty red envelopes. Oh my gosh, this is all for $22, you people. I need to tell you how awesome this is. Okay, these are for the designs and the cute little mailbox that I got so excited about, and the color of the cards. I think this makes 8. And then the sentiment stamp. Look, you don't have to cut anything out. You just pop them out. Oh, here is the tricky adhesive I was warning you about. These are great, but you have to peel them off. Anyway, it's doable, but I have to tell you, I buy my own glue dots because this is nice of them, but really hard to work with. Okay, so there it is. I unboxed it all for you. And here's, let's see, the instructions. That's very important. I want to see them. I want you to see them. Take a breath, Susanna. It's okay. Okay, here they are, all finished. And then you get a instruction sheet. And, oh, you are going to stamp this big, beautiful stamp with the puppy. parade color. And there it is. And then on the back, I think I've already shown this to you before, but you have the picture of the cards and then some alternative designs you can use. So that is awesome. Oh, and here's a flyer for, you can get a little add-on kit for how much? $8. That's not bad. And you get all these little itty bitty paper pumpkin boxes like this, but they're real tiny. So anyway, that's the paper pumpkin for January. This is the January one. And take a look at my Facebook page, and I'll be posting more about the upcoming paper pumpkin and what the theme is. So bye. Thanks for joining me for Faceabook 5.